Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to accept friend request on your WeChat app. Let me show you how. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you found the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do, open up your WeChat app. After you open up your WeChat app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on contacts right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on new friends. That's going to take you right here. All the contacts that send you friend requests is going to be found right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on view. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on done. Then you can simply click on here to start send message to the friend. It's as simple as that. For more tutorial about how best to use your WeChat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.